You are going to love the 2019 Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 meets your vehicle wants and needs. Powerful and economical, technologically savvy, and boasting top safety features, the Mazda 3 is the total package and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, rain sensing wipers, FWD, integrated turn signal mirrors. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.